How do I know if a message has been blocked on my iPhone?
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, we'll be addressing a common question many iPhone users have. How do I know if a message has been blocked on my iPhone? If you suspect that someone has blocked your messages, or if you want to check if a message you sent has been blocked, we'll guide you through the process step by step. So let's get started.
Checking message delivery status.
The first method to determine if a message has been blocked on your iPhone is to check its delivery status. Here's what you need to do. 1. Open the Messages app on your iPhone. 2. Locate the conversation thread where you sent the message you suspect might be blocked. 3. Tap on the message bubble you sent to the person you think might have blocked you. 4. Look for the Delivered status beneath the message. This indicates that the message has been successfully delivered to the recipient's device. 5. If you see Read or Seen below the message, it means the recipient has opened and viewed your message. This suggests that you haven't been blocked. 6. However, if you only see Delivered and the recipient hasn't responded or read the message for an extended period, it's possible that you have been blocked. Keep in mind that other factors like a poor internet connection or the recipient's settings can also affect message delivery, so this method isn't foolproof.
Making a voice call.
Another way to check if you've been blocked on your iPhone is to attempt making a voice call to the person you suspect has blocked you. Follow these steps. 1. Open the Phone app on your iPhone. 2. Go to the Contacts tab and find the contact of the person you think might have blocked you. 3. Tap on their contact name to access their details. 4. Look for the FaceTime or Audio buttons and tap on either one to initiate a voice call. 5. If the call goes through and you can hear the recipient's phone ringing or they answer, it's likely that you haven't been blocked. 6. On the other hand, if you hear a continuous ringing tone, get sent to voicemail immediately, or the call fails to connect altogether, it could indicate that you have been blocked. However, keep in mind that the recipient might genuinely be unavailable or have their phone in Do Not Disturb mode, so this method is not definitive.
Sending an iMessage or SMS.
Now, let's explore a third method to check if a message has been blocked on your iPhone by sending an iMessage or SMS. Here's what you need to do. 1. Launch the Messages app on your iPhone. 2. Open a new conversation by tapping on the Compose button. 3. In the recipient field, enter the name or phone number of the person you suspect might have blocked you. 4. Type and send a message as you normally would. 5. Pay attention to the status of the message. 6. If the message turns green and sends as a regular SMS, it suggests that you haven't been blocked, as iMessages require an active internet connection. 7. However, if the message stays blue and doesn't switch to green, it means the message was sent as an iMessage. This could indicate that you have been blocked since iMessages can't be delivered to a device that has blocked you. That's it. Now you know how to check if a message has been blocked on your iPhone. Remember,